Hello guys, so today we talk about what is weathering, erosion and deposition. So weathering is the breaking down or degrading of rocks due to the various factors like wind and water in direct contact with the atmosphere. So in this whole processes, weathered material is not displaced actually. The different type of weathering include physical, chemical and biological weathering. So biological weathering, in which living organisms contribute to weathering, can be a part of both processes. So as you can see, this is the rock which is weathered, but the material is in situ, means that is not transported actually. So this is the exact definition of weathering. Erosion. So erosion is a mechanical processes usually driven by water, gravity, wind or ice that removes sediment from the place of weathering actually. In other words, you can say that erosion is a transportation of sediments that have been broken down by weathering processes. Wind, water, ice and human activities are some of the causes of erosion. So as you can see in this photograph, this is the remnants of eroded material. After weathering, the eroded material is transported by river. Deposition. So deposition is the laying down of sediments that have been weathered and eroded. The material is carried by wind, flowing water, the sea or ice. So sediments can be transported as pebbles, sand and mud, or as salts dissolved in water. So see here, this is the deposited material in the ocean. So these are the silt actually, and this can be sand, gravels or pebbles also.
To know the latest updates on geotourism and modern geotechniques, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.